Hey, River, who's a good boy? Who's a good boy, River? Hey? Well, here we are. We've got Sherry. We are at Prairie Sky Dog Rescue, and thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks for having us.
I want to know, well, I do want to know all about River here. Where's River from?
River's from a reserve up north, and it's a she. She's a 1-year-old that had a litter of puppies, and all her puppies got adopted, but she didn't. So we brought her in, and now Sheena is working really hard with her to make her the perfect dog, and she's up for adoption.
So who is Sheena, and what is Sheena's role?
Oh, Sheena's a great lady. She's another one of our volunteers and a coordinator with us, and she helps these dogs get trained in their kennels, trained for behaving really well. She even gets them to put their toys in the toy box. And yeah, so they're a perfect dog when they come out of her house.
So when a dog is, can I say rescued? Is that a good word? Okay, so when a dog is rescued, what are their next steps? I mean, they've got to be checked out, or, you know.
They do. They have to go to a vet. They get their first set of shots. We make sure they have all that. Lots of times they have parasites of some kind, so they get dewormed, sometimes a flea treatment, and then they go to a house, and we look after our dogs for 2 weeks before they're up for adoption, before they can go anywhere, so we know what kind of temperament they have, whether they're good with kids, whether they're good with cats, whether they like other dogs. Any troubles that show up, we try and get those fixed right away, so that, yeah, nobody gets surprises when they get the dogs from us.
So how did you come up with 2 weeks versus 4 weeks a month? Is there any theory to that?
Oh, I'm not sure there's a theory, but in 2 weeks you get to know somebody pretty well when they're living in your house and with your family. So, I mean, yeah, you do know. Not everybody has cats, so we can't say they're good with cats. Not everybody has kids, but we try and get them in those situations, so.
Oh, River, you are one cute puppy. She's one cute puppy.
She is.
So what does Prairie Sky need? You've got lots, I would assume these people are all volunteers.
Correct.
So if people were listening, how can they help you? Like,
they can become a volunteer. They can become a foster. They can donate money. We spay all our dogs that aren't puppies. Our puppies have to be spayed within 10 months to a year. And the people that adopt those dogs get $100 back when they show us proof of that. Anything. Like, we're open.
So how many puppies or dogs do you have right now that are in the system with you?
I think we have about 6. Yeah, we actually have just got a lot of adoptions this last while, so we're doing good. We're proud.
So when is River up here for adoption?
She can go. Yep.
She can go?
She's been spayed. Her shots are up to date, and she's looking for a forever home.
All right, well, there you have it. River is available for adoption, but you know what? There are so many more dogs that need a home, and we thank you so much for joining us, Sherry.
Thank you.
And you know what? If you want to help a little dog here and find a home, this is amazing. I've followed you, I believe, on Twitter.
And Facebook, yes.
And Facebook, and they're always posting pictures of what animals are available. So there you go, Prairie Sky. We love you.
Thank you.